This is going on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, I need to record.
Ziana, you don't have YouTube. I have YouTube.
I'm not doing it.
Ew! Oh, honey, leave some for my mom. Honey, leave some for my mom. Look at this. This is full legit. I am not editing this at all.
Okay, this is gross.
Russell, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Honey, say hi. Okay. Ziana, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube, you're on YouTube.
Yes, I YouTube. No,
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God!
Oh my.
I'm freaking out. Oh yeah!
Just switch the bird's head.
Oh man! This is going on YouTube, man.
It's a bird ball.
Oh man!
Ew.
Oh man!
Oh, Mommy, careful. That's just a beautiful bird.
Not so beautiful no more.
Oh! Well, it is beautiful.
Not no more.
And I love birds.
It's not no more. Yes, it is. I mean, it's missing a liver. It's missing a heart.
Let's just kill him, right? I have a spoon, and I will hurt you. And I'll hurt you too, because I have a diamond sword. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Stop! Dylan, stop! Dylan, stop! You need to post it on YouTube.
Sticking into his stomach. Oh no! Oh! That's a bird heart.
I'm sending this to my mom.
Oh my gosh! Is that lungs? That might be its lungs. Yeah, yummy, honey. Huh? You just ate its heart. She doesn't like that part.
Dog. How do dogs like birds?
Oh, I just felt the bone crack. Oh no!
Oh, Wesley, remember what? Oh man, that's not good.
That's gross.
It's not good, man.
Why do dead birds are ew? Oh, catch this part. You can see all its lungs. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Oh! I don't know. Is that its lungs or its heart? That's a feather. That feather for the bee feather. I'm never stepping in it. Me either.
Jenna, move over. I need to record this. Or it's definitely not live.
It's not anymore.
Oh!
No! This! Cuatro, cinco.
Oh!
Send that to Tanya. You have to.
Oh! Oh, it's blood!
Are you holding your crotch, Elon? That wing is not attached to the bird anymore. Okay. Yeah. Got that?
YouTube! Listen to these words. Never let your bird eat a bird.
Never let your dog eat a bird.
Yeah.
Never. Yeah.
Oh, there's a tart.
Ah! The heart's not working.
Oh, God. 1 sec.
Eating the head?
The head's gone, man.
The head's in her mouth.
It's in her stomach. Oh, yep. The head's gone.
No, that's what happens. And the nose. It happens. Rarely, but it could not.
Okay, that was really weird. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, comment, subscribe, do it, whatever you have to do. I think my stepdad's gonna want to say something to YouTube. Wait, now.
Hey.
Yeah, he's
That's
on
pretty
YouTube.
gnarly stuff, huh?
It's gross, man.
How's it look now?
Peace out. Woo!